Hi everyone, this is Zizo Calante from Surviving ED, a blog about eating disorder recovery and beyond. Today I'm here to talk to you about the hope in eating disorder recovery. So when I first went to the hospital, I didn't actually think that I could recover, but I remember writing in my journal, I hope I can prove myself wrong. There was a sliver of hope in me that wanted to recover. I just didn't really believe it was possible. And I realized that for a lot of people in this predicament with eating disorders and addictions, we're in the same space. We're used to feeling like a failure every single day. We're used to the guilt. We're used to the shame. We're used to not hoping for a better life because we don't think that it's possible to change. But I am telling you that it is possible. I know others that have gone through it and are free. Myself, I wanted a recovery that I was happy and free and had no eating disordered thoughts or patterns. And that's the recovery goal that I set and work towards and actually have in my life right now. And it's awesome. And I didn't actually think that I would get here. But it is really possible to recover. And it's really important to keep little flickers of hope alive. So start where you are. It doesn't mean that you have to think you can recover overnight, but even if there's a small flicker of hope, keep that alive for your recovery. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.